Oh, and the banana as well. I've got banana as well. But it is extremely nice, I have to say. My tongue is about a 3 out of 10 of when it comes to burn. Nothing major yet. But let's see. Let's try the banana. Oh, I'm gonna use my hand. Yeah, some banana, bananas in pajamas. Well, my tongue is like, ooh, something is happening here now. It's starting. The heat is now starting steadily climbing to a 4 or a 5 out of 10. Slowly but surely, we're climbing this ladder. Let's see a banana with some Reaper chocolate. Wow. I didn't even think this will be nice.